Guys, what's up? It's Diecast, and I know it's been a while since I even updated anything on this channel. The last time I posted something had to do with Halo, and that was a live stream from 2021. But fast forward 3 years later, and I'm back. I don't know if it's gonna be consistent or not, but let's try to give this a shot again. This time, we're gonna do some Hot Wheels things. I know there's a lot of videos out there of people opening these special, maybe not opening, more like collecting and showing off that they got them. And I'm gonna do the same thing, just a little bit different. It's not gonna be for the treasure hunt, super treasure hunts type of thing. It's gonna be for all these cards that people don't really pay much attention to. I have a couple of cards here, and I have more laid out in front of me. However, this video I did go to Five Below earlier today, and I picked up these things called metal machines made by Zuru. And now I had already opened them, and I already recorded a video, but then I realized that I can't upload it as a short because it's too long, and if I cut it down too much, it's not gonna work. So we're doing this again. However, although they're already open, I'm gonna show you what the packaging looks like for these, right? Metal machines by Zuru. And I did open up these two cards, as you can tell, like they're already open. But for the sake of it, let's act like they were never open, right? Oh shit, look, new uh new cards. But this one I really like. This one's called the Power Mad. And let's open the card. Oh yeah, we got it. And I really like this car. It's very shiny. I don't like the fact that it's very loud. See that? It's very loud, but I think it's a nice car. I generally think it's a nice car. Um, it's definitely different than a Hot Wheels or Matchbox car, and the wheels seem to spin a little faster or a little longer, matter of fact. So that's pretty cool. And I also have the White Fang. That is also a Metal Machines car. So, oh, we're time to open it. Whatever. So this car is not as loud as the Power Mat. I forgot I have a mic here. Um, but it is a nice car. It caught my attention. Just because of the colorway, the green windows, green tires. I like the color green. Also a very nice car. I'm a very big fan of this car as well. Let's see. Look at these tires. Also spin pretty long-ish. I think it's spun a little less than this one, but this one spun pretty well. But yeah, I just want to make a quick video because I know I haven't been on this for a while. We have a lot more cars to go. I do have one car that I haven't opened and I probably will not open, and that is the Tesla Cybertruck. I have this one, but I'm not gonna open it, at least not anytime soon, or maybe ever. I don't know. But I just wanted to tap in, and get back on. We're gonna try to bring this back up a little. And if you guys are interested in watching any of my old videos, by all means, go check it out. If you would like to subscribe, please go subscribe. It'll help the channel grow. And fingers crossed, we could get back on the motorcycle. Motorcycle videos. I haven't stopped riding. I know I got my bike stolen, but I haven't stopped riding. And we'll get some motor vlogs out. I don't know. We have to get a whole setup. It's a long way out, but it would be cool to bring that up. But for now, we're going to focus on these Hot Wheels, and let's see how this goes. Thank you guys for tuning in. Whoa. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. If you don't, oh, why? But guys, thank you guys for tuning in. It's been a long time. And peace. I will see you guys soon.